Hey everyone, welcome back to Polished Perfections. Today, we're diving into the world of home equity lines of credit, or HELOCs. If you're a homeowner looking for financial flexibility, this video is for you. Let's get started. So, what exactly is a HELOC? A HELOC is a revolving line of credit that's secured by the equity in your home. Think of it like a credit card, but with typically lower interest rates since your home is used as collateral. Let's break down the benefits of getting a HELOC. First up, flexibility. With a HELOC, you can borrow money as you need it, up to your credit limit. This makes it perfect for expenses that might come up over time, like home renovations, medical bills, or even funding your child's education. Imagine you're planning a major home renovation. Instead of taking out a lump sum loan, a HELOC allows you to draw funds as the project progresses, ensuring you only borrow what you need when you need it. So, I am sure your next question is probably, how do they determine the amount of the line of credit that is available to homeowners? Lenders typically allow 85% of your home's equity. Let's say your home is valued at $200,000 and you owe $100,000 on your loan. That means that you have $100,000 in equity. With that said, if approved, you would get a home equity line of credit of $85,000. Now each lender is different, this is just a general average. Next, let's talk about interest rates. HELOCs generally offer lower interest rates compared to credit cards or personal loans because they're secured by your home. This can save you a significant amount of money in the long run. Check out this comparison. While the average credit card interest rate can be around 16% to 23%, HELOC rates are often much lower, sometimes as low as 3 to 5%, but currently they are running about 8% to 11%. Another great benefit is the potential tax deduction. In many cases, the interest you pay on a HELOC may be tax deductible, especially if the funds are used for home improvements. Always check with a tax advisor to see how this applies to your situation. Imagine lowering your taxable income just by making those needed upgrades to your kitchen or bathroom. It's a win-win. Using a HELOC responsibly can also help improve your credit score. By borrowing against your home's equity and making timely repayments, you demonstrate good credit behavior, which can boost your credit rating. A better credit score can open doors to more favorable loan terms in the future, making HELOCs a smart move for your financial health. Lastly, HELOCs can be a useful tool for consolidating high-interest debt. By paying off those debts with your HELOC, you simplify your payments and potentially lower your overall interest costs. Say goodbye to juggling multiple high-interest payments and hello to a more streamlined financial life. So, there you have it, the top benefits of getting a HELOC. From flexibility and lower interest rates to potential tax benefits and credit score improvements, a HELOC can be a powerful financial tool for homeowners. Disclaimer: a HELOC can be very helpful, but misuse can get you into a financial hardship. So please consult with a financial advisor before you begin to use the home equity line of credit. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell to get notified of our latest videos. And if you have any questions or want to share your HELOC experience, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.